spoiler alert, the icing is not good. The icing is not good. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make a raw vegan carrot cake. Let's get started. Okay, obviously you cannot have a carrot cake without carrots, honey, so we're gonna go ahead and take these out of here. And y'all know me, I got to scrape them down. You know I got to scrape them down. So I'm gonna cut our 3 carrots into our food processor. I'm gonna have to adjust the light. Y'all can't see, honey. We're not trying to be sexy around here. What is going on? Now for some added sweetness, we have some pitted dates. You can de-pit your own dates, baby, but baby, ain't no way. I wasn't finna de-pit no vegan roaches, okay? Not around here. In goes 1 cup. Okay, that is the whole bag. That is the whole bag, okay? Going in. This says it's an 8-ounce bag, just in case you got a different brand, okay? All right, let's go ahead and blend this up together. I'm gonna scrape down the sides and blend again. Ooh, I love the smell of carrots. Oh, yes, yes. Okay, it was already blended. You ain't have to skip that last part, baby. It ain't blended no more. We're gonna take this out. Just gonna put this in a bowl. No need to wash out your blender because baby, we're not finished, okay? Let's grab your raw walnuts and let's put in 2 cups. Let's put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla, aka 2 capfuls. I'm gonna put in a couple of shakes of pumpkin pie spice. Wait, Erin, what you doing? What you doing? Baby, all this is cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, ginger, and cloves. So if you got those things separately, baby, that's what you're gonna do. But I got it all mixed up, okay? So we're gonna put that in there, okay? 1, 2, skip a few, 99, 100. Okay, that's what I did. That's what I did. We're gonna do a couple shakes of salt. That's it, that's it. Now we're going to blend this up. We're gonna stop right there and add in our carrot cake mixture. We just wanted this all to be cohesive, okay? All right, let's blend this all together. Yeah, we're gonna have to do this by hand. We're gonna have to blend it by hand, and that's okay. That's all right. Now we are gonna have to wash out our blender to make the icing. You know, usually I say don't have to wash it out, but I really don't want any carrot chunks and walnut chunks in my icing. So after we get done scraping this all out, we are gonna wash our blender and make our nut-free icing. All right, now that we got our cake in a bowl, let's add in our coconut flour, 1/2 cup. Y'all know me, queen of girl, why is this bowl so small when you know you got more ingredients going in? Baby, I don't know. I don't know. We're also gonna put in 1/2 cup of raisins. Girl, let's just get a bigger one. Let's just not even try it. I really want to get my hands in here, y'all, to really get this blended, but since I have on my nails, I cannot do that. But baby, if you don't have no nails on, or you want to put some gloves on, really get into this and really blend out together. For now, I'm kind of just mashing, trying to get this flour incorporated, and then mixing again. But baby, I really want to get in there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and transfer this over to our, for lack of a better word, cake dish, okay? Again, I don't think this is blended as well as it could be because, you know, I didn't get in there with my hands, but that's all right. That's all right. Oh, this might be too much cake for this little dish. Hold on now. I don't want to overpack it because we still got to put the frosting on top. Hold on now. Hold on. Let me kind of see what we can do now, y'all. Oh no. Let's see how high we can go. Let's put it all in there because what else I'm going to do with these crumbles? Nothing. It's going to have to work. All right. We got a thick cake. We got a thick cake, okay? We're gonna put this in the fridge while we make our icing. All right, this is an experiment. The girls have been asking for some more nut-free recipes, so we're gonna use sunflower seeds as our icing. Stay with me. Stay with me. This is an experiment, okay? Experiment. So I soaked a cup of the raw sunflower seeds overnight. Let's pour this out and add it to our blender. Vanilla extract, we're gonna use 1 capful. I just took this coconut milk out of the fridge. We're only gonna use the fat and leave the liquid. Y'all see, how would y'all open that with nails? How would y'all open that with nails? Ooh. Oh, this is coconut cream. I'm like, wait a minute, ain't no liquid in here. Where is the liquid? Okay, well, I'm gonna use this whole can then. If you have liquid in your can, don't use it. So typically, let's go with about a cup of coconut milk. We're gonna experiment. I'm gonna use this whole thing of coconut cream, y'all. This might be a regret. We gonna see together. I did not know I picked up coconut cream and not coconut milk. Nothing wrong with coconut cream. It's delicious. It's just now I don't have a accurate measurement. This is a 13.5 ounce can. We have to have a sweetener, so we're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. We can always go up on the sweetener if it's not sweet enough, but it's gonna be our starter. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I didn't squeeze it, the farmer's market did. So basically, you're gonna use a whole lemon. Couple shakes of salt. All right, y'all. Let's pray and blend. Okay, I had to blend this for like 2 minutes to really get it blended, but I don't like it. Y'all know I'm not gonna lie to you. I do not like it. Let me give it another taste on camera, honey, because I snuck a taste thinking it was gonna be delicioso. Okay, so boom. It is pretty creamy. Well, no, I'm lying. You can see the chunks. But I don't know if the cashews instead would have made it any creamier, because I don't have any cashews left, unfortunately, to test it. But here y'all go. Hold on, let me focus in so y'all can see. It ain't creamy. I'm gonna blend it some more though. Blend it some more. So y'all see that? It is still have some chunks in it, but it was worse before I blended. But let me taste it again. See what we want to add. I ain't gotta smile at it, honey. I said it's not done. It tastes like sweet sunflower seeds. Okay. Let's add some more lemon juice, some more maple syrup. Let's try that. Let's try that. Cause no. Let's do another 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, aka you need another lemon. Okay. And then let's do another 2 tablespoons of our maple syrup. It still is chunky too. Like, baby, maybe I should have blended up the sunflower seeds first. Because why do we still have chunks, baby? I didn't blended it to... Anyway. Baby, why you can't see it? I am not naked. Let's show the people we have on clothes. Amen. Smile at it. Oh, wait. The first bite, I was like, ugh. And then the sweetness came in. But I'm not going to lie to y'all. I don't like the chunky. I'm taking some more because it's not bad. The texture is terrible. It's very grainy, but the flavor's not bad. The lemon juice and the sweetness is coming through. I'm gonna stop right here because I don't know how much. I'm gonna blend it. Okay. I'm gonna blend it one more time, but I don't know what else we can do, baby. She's grainy. She's grainy. Alright, y'all saw I tried to add a little bit more lemon juice, but it didn't do nothing. It just made it more lemony. We're gonna accept our fate of chunky icing, okay? And that's just what it is. And not I got extra. Not I got extra to do nothing with. I will figure it out. Anyway, alright, we're gonna put this on in the fridge. And maybe that'll change my mind later, okay? Maybe it'll change my mind after we let it set for a second. Because, I mean, texture is very wonky, but this not real icing. It's raw, okay? So let's just not compare it to real icing. Let's compare it to what it is. Sweet sunflower seeds. Y'all, it's been like an hour and a half. I completely forgot I was filming. I said, ooh, I started doing other stuff. My bad. Let's check on our carrot cake, okay? Come on, y'all. Come on over here. All right, here we go. Hold on, y'all. Before I cut it, we got to decorate it for the thumbnail, okay? The reason you clicked on this video was because, boom, I put raisins in the middle, huh? You saw the raisins before you clicked on this video? Bow, okay? And then let's hit them with some walnuts, too. I wish I had some carrots left over. Some little carrots would have been fire. But, however, here we are. Bam! That's dumb. That is not why you clicked on this video. That is not why. You know what? You clicked on this video for me, huh? You clicked on it for me, because it wasn't for this. All right, let's cut it. Okay, we got, it's solid. It is solid. Okay. a piece of cake. It is a piece of cake. All right, let's get into it. Smile at it. I mean, for raw, it's not bad. Is this delicious? Oh my God, make this? No. You know I can't lie to y'all. Because a lot of y'all, most people don't do the recipes I say. But for the 5 of y'all that do, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, okay? Out of 10, I give it 5.5. I'm still eating it. It's not nasty. I'm not spitting it out. However, it's just okay. Make this if you want to. Not one of my best recipes. I ain't even gonna hold you. But I'm still gonna put this video out because, baby, I had to buy all these ingredients. I had to buy all these ingredients, okay? But it's not bad. It's just not amazing. Alright? Cue the outro. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Alright, y'all. It's been 2 days since we made the carrot cake, and it actually is better. Like, the texture difference does not bother me anymore. It's not, I think, because the sunflower settled. Basically, it's way better, okay? My only critique is that it could be sweeter, but you know, we're trying to change our, but I think that's because I'm still doing cooked foods and raw foods. I think if I was strictly doing a raw diet, this would be the perfect sweetness. But because I'm still eating cooked foods, I think my taste buds have not adjusted to, you know, raw desserts yet. But y'all, way better. It's been 2 days. All right, I'm getting into it. Why my drawer open? The drawer stay open. Lord.